This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 325 PACK-13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.